A factory reset restores your Mitsubishi ASX's electronic systems to their original manufacturer settings. This can resolve software glitches, infotainment issues, or ECU errors. There are three main types of resets. Soft reset provides a temporary restart. Hard reset involves disconnecting power. Full factory reset erases all user data. Know the difference to avoid unintended data loss. A soft reset is a temporary restart of the vehicle's infotainment system. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This is best for minor glitches like frozen screens or unresponsive touch controls. A hard reset involves disconnecting the vehicle battery for 5 to 10 minutes. This resets multiple systems, including ECU and infotainment. It's suitable for persistent issues like error codes or system malfunctions. A full factory reset erases all user data and restores original settings through system menus or diagnostic tools. This is a last resort for major issues like corrupted software or persistent problems. Before performing any reset on your Mitsubishi ASX, prioritize safety to prevent electrical damage or data loss. Start by turning off the vehicle and removing the keys to avoid accidental starts or shorts. Next, use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. After any reset, confirm it's above 12.6 volts to ensure the battery is healthy and won't cause electrical issues. For hard resets involving battery disconnection, use a battery maintainer to prevent data loss and maintain electrical stability. This device keeps the system powered during the process. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal last when performing hard resets, and reconnect it first afterward to prevent electrical shorts or damage to vehicle systems. For infotainment issues like freezes, start with a soft reset. Locate the power or volume button on your MMCS display. Press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts the system without erasing your data. It's the first step for minor glitches. To perform a hard reset, first disconnect the negative battery terminal. This is the black cable with a minus sign. Leave the battery disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the systems to fully reset. The hard reset clears the engine control unit and other vehicle modules, restoring factory settings. Before disconnecting, ensure you have your radio security code. You may need to enter it after reconnecting the battery. Important: only disconnect the negative terminal. Do not touch the positive terminal to avoid safety risks. To access the full factory reset, check your owner's manual or the infotainment system's settings menu for a reset option. This full reset erases all personal data, including Bluetooth pairings and navigation history. Note that this option may not be available on all ASX models or software versions. After performing any reset on your Mitsubishi ASX, it's crucial to verify that all vehicle systems are functioning correctly. Begin by checking the power steering system. Turn the steering wheel gently to ensure it operates smoothly without excessive resistance. The power steering pump and hydraulic system should provide easy, responsive control. Next, test the anti-lock braking system by driving at low speed and applying the brakes. You should feel a slight pulsing sensation as the ABS engages to prevent wheel lockup. The ABS system uses wheel speed sensors and a control module to modulate brake pressure, ensuring safe stopping even on slippery surfaces. Also, check the airbag system by looking for any warning lights on the dashboard. The airbag control module monitors all safety systems. Dashboard warning lights indicate various system statuses. If airbag or other safety lights remain illuminated after reset, professional attention is required. If you notice any problems such as warning lights staying on, unusual noises, reduced performance, or error messages, do not attempt further resets. Remember that factory resets address software and configuration issues, but cannot repair physical hardware failures. In such cases, consult a professional mechanic for proper diagnostics and repairs. Newer ASX models support over-the-air updates for software improvements and resets. For complex issues, dealerships use diagnostic tools like Mote3 for precise factory resets. Consider app-based resets or professional help for electrical work. Always back up settings to prevent data loss.